During National Engineers Week, raSmith celebrates the accomplishments of our outstanding civil, structural, and traffic engineers and recognizes all who are dedicated to the field of engineering. Learn what our employees enjoy most about engineering, why it's important to them, and how our staff continue to grow in their careers at raSmith.
The thing I enjoy most about the field of engineering is actually the people. I know a lot of engineers like to do the design side, but I think there is a lot of interpersonal connections with people who really need your help and respect your opinions in order to get a big project done.
I like the challenge that comes along with it. Engineering is all about solving problems. And even though some problems are similar on a project-to-project basis, they're all unique and you solve unique problems every day.
I enjoy working at raSmith because of their support for my professional growth. As a young engineer, I have had opportunities to travel to different field events for learning, as well as my support for professional organizations.
I love working at raSmith here because of the culture that we've built. It's allowed us to work collectively as a team. We know each other so well, and whatever each individual, each team member brings to the table, and just knowing what each other's strengths are, it makes for a great workplace.
What interests me the most about the field of engineering is watching my projects from start, from the beginning of design all the way through the finish at the end of construction, and then be able to go into the field and see that project up and operating and serving the public.
I've grown as an engineer at raSmith in that I've worked in several different divisions. I ended up in transportation, and transportation engineering and specifically I think challenges me more than the other disciplines I've worked on, and I think that makes me a better engineer and a better problem solver.
My favorite aspect of engineering is day to day there's always something different. There's always a new challenge, a new problem that needs to be solved, and never do you come in and you apply the same exact answer to that problem. So it's always rewarding to work on different projects in different locations with different people, and I think that's what makes things exciting to be a civil engineer.
To me, the field of engineering is probably changing the most just simply because of the people, the public, what people want, what people need. Whether it's a mall redesign project, people are looking for different things in a mall these days. They want a more mixed use, comprehensive feel to a mall. It's the shopping, but it's also the play, it's the eating, it's potentially a grocery store that gets tacked onto a mall that's a little different these days.